Welcome to Garnet and Gold Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Chef Mike Smith, and with me today we have FSU head baseball coach Mike Martin Jr. Good to have you with us, Coach.
Thanks so much, Mike. Glad to be here.
Today we're going to make some Cowboy Caviar. It's one of our favorite tailgating items. So over here on the grill we've got a couple of red bell peppers that we're roasting on this natural gas grill.
Yeah, I noticed you like the natural gas.
I do like natural gas, Coach. Natural gas is really the only thing I ever use because it cooks very evenly. It gives you a great punch at the start. You can control it very easily. It's the best thing for grilling, sauteing. Anything you're doing in the kitchen, natural gas is always the way to go. We're going to let those go for a little bit, and we're going to go over here and we're going to work on the dressing. So Coach is going to help me make the dressing here. We're going to use some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of honey, and then we're just going to take some fresh ground pepper. One thing about this recipe is you got to let it sit for at least an hour or so. Coach, if you can just whisk it up for me. Okay, so we're going to remove the peppers from the heat, then we'll peel them and seed them, and that's kind of the final process before we start mixing all the ingredients. So he's starting with the jalapenos. So the jalapenos, again, they're really hot, so it depends on how many you like. And then we're going with fresh cilantro.
The corn, doesn't matter the order, right? We're going to mix it all together.
Does not matter the order. We're going to mix it all together.
This is the dummy-proof stuff here. I'm good at
good at this. Well, looking good. So now we're going to add these fire-roasted red bell peppers. I like to make it the night before. Then the next morning when you're ready to go to the game, throw it in your cooler, grab a bag of chips, and you're done. That's all it takes.
Ready to rock and roll. Let's go watch the Knowles win.
Coach, you did a great job.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad at all.
Hopefully my bite doesn't have any jalapenos in it.
I'll give it a taste.
Right. Oh yeah, outstanding, Mike.
Already, huh?
Really good. I didn't screw it up too bad, did I?
It is really good. Okay, so that's Cowboy Caviar. Coach, thanks for coming down.
Absolutely,
helping me make it.
It was a lot of fun.
We'll do it again sometime. And hey, good luck on your first season. We're very excited about the Knowles, as always.
Thank you, buddy.
For more information about this and other recipes, as well as People's Gas energy conservation rebates, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.